In this video, I will show you how we can create a pointer variable and pointer variable of different data types, and how we will use address of operator and dereferencing operator. Okay, let us start with the pointer variable. Uh, this is a simple variable, int type variable a, and here is a pointer. This is pointer. You can create pointer variable in different methods. First of all, let's try to run the project. Is it okay? It is successfully run. You can create a pointer variable in different styles. You can place star here, or you can place star here, or even you can place star in between the data type and the variable. Okay, it's better practice to use the star before the name of the pointer. So this is not an ordinary variable, this is a pointer variable, and it can store the memory address of another int type variable. Okay, so how we will store the address of a int type variable in this pointer variable? We can simply first of all, let's suppose value of a is equal to 35, and we want to store the address of variable a, memory address of variable a into the pointer b. So we will write here b is equal to address of a. This and sign, ampersand sign, is used and is known as address of operator here. Now let us uh, try to print the values. Like, first of all, print the value of a. It should respond with 35. And now let us try to print the value of b. B is a pointer. It must have an address, memory address. We can see that the output is 0x61ff08. This is basically a hexadecimal value, and memory address is basically represented as a hexadecimal value. So in this way you can store the address of a variable into a pointer. You can also create some other variables like this, for example 3.14, and you can also create a pointer variable for you can also create a pointer variable for C, but for that you must declare the data type of the pointer as float. For example, let's suppose the name of the pointer variable is d and its data type is float. It means that it can store the memory address of a float variable only. So let us write here d is equal to address of C. So now d is pointing towards C, and let us write value of C. Look what happens to it, 3.14, and now try D, and it is a memory address. Okay, so this is basically pointers, and you can also create pointers for character array and pointer for string variable. Now let us see what is dereferencing operator star. So now here I'm using D. What does contain by D? D contains the memory address of C. So if you print the value of D, it will print the memory address it holds, that is the memory address of C. But if you put star here, that is dereferencing operator, now what will be print out? Now the contents of the memory location which is saved by the d pointer variable will be printed. uh, it means that D is storing the memory address of C, okay, and C contains the value 3.14. So this dereferencing operator will print the contents of the C variable. Okay, let us try this. Now you can see that the result is 3.14, and also if you write the dereference operator with B, it will print the value of A, because B is pointing towards A and the value of A is 35, so the answer should be 35 now. So this is the output.